If you have a PS4, you're in luck. The Spectrum TV app is natively available. Simply head to the PlayStation Store, search for the Spectrum TV app, and download it. Once installed, log in with your Spectrum credentials, and you're ready to stream live TV, on-demand content, and DVR recordings. However, PS5 users face a different situation. As of September 2025, there's no native Spectrum TV app for the PS5. This is due to compatibility issues between Spectrum and Sony. Don't worry, there are workarounds, which we'll cover in the next section. Since there's no direct Spectrum TV app for PS5, you'll need to use workarounds. The most common method is casting from your mobile device to your PS5. The most common method is casting. Download the Spectrum TV app on your iPhone or Android device. Then use screen mirroring features to send the content to your PS5's HDMI input. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. In the Spectrum app, look for the casting option. Select your PS5 from the available devices and tap Start Casting to begin streaming your content. You might also consider using alternative devices like HDMI splitters or capture cards, such as the Elgato Game Capture, to route the Spectrum TV signal through your PS5. Keep in mind that unofficial sideloading methods are not supported and could violate Spectrum's terms of service. While these workarounds aren't as seamless as a native app, they allow you to enjoy Spectrum TV on your PS5. Stay tuned, as native PS5 support may arrive in the future.